In the laboratory of a petrochemical enterprise, gas chromatographs, spectrometers, mass spectrometers, and other precision instruments have a large number and high value. The traditional manual ledger and inspection methods are prone to low inventory efficiency, difficult to grasp the location of equipment, and easy to miss maintenance and calibration. And environmental anomalies are not detected in a timely manner. In response to these management challenges, MingQ builds a digital management system for precision instruments through RFID and IoT technologies. Bind a unique RFID electronic tag to each instrument. Fast device identification, inventory and flow management through intelligent handheld endpoints. In the RFID IoT platform, unified management of equipment files, maintenance inspections, calibration and repair records, automatic reminders when maintenance or calibration deadlines are approaching. Make equipment status clearer and management more timely. At the same time, environmental sensors such as temperature and humidity were deployed in the experimental area. Real-time collection of environmental data through industrial IoT edge gateways. When the temperature and humidity exceed a set range, the platform automatically alarms, assists staff in processing and maintaining records in a timely manner. Data interaction with systems such as LIMS through APIs further connect the equipment, environment, and experimental business data. RFID is responsible for identifying the device. IoT responsible for perceiving the environment. The platform is responsible for unified management. Let the petrochemical enterprise laboratory move from manual ledger and decentralized inspection to real-time perception, intelligent early warning, and full traceability. Enhance the level of precision instrument management and laboratory quality management.